from late tonight until further notice.
At 9 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 18.0 feet. Flood stage is 19.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tonight and continue rising to a crest of 22.8 feet early Wednesday morning. Impact at 23.0 feet. Flooding will affect swamp and timberlands while also disrupting logging operations. Operations will likely cease and equipment not previously moved will remain trapped. Some farmland will have minor flooding, especially around Brick Neck.